Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Remy Lee, and in this video we are going to be doing a matalical slime. Mine is going to be a matalical blue slime. So let's get started. In this video, the ingredients are you'll need a glue. I'm using metallic Elmer's. Elmer's is the best choice, honestly, so yeah. I'm also using Elmer's matalical liquid. The instructions will be on the back of the bottle. Yeah. Right now it just says glue plus activator equals slime. So let's get started. First, step one, I'm going to be pouring in my matalical glue. This will take a few seconds. By the way, it is July 16th, 2020. And I'm 8 years old, so I have no sense of humor. I was about 6 years old when I started this video. I started it off with a baby alive bath time video. So yeah. This is also very good when your glue won't come out of the bottle. Once it's out, you just want to scoop it with your spoon. Just let it drip off your spoon into some. I've had this upside down for about 10 hours. I really need a squeezer man here. I'm only using half a bottle because I did another metallic slime with the other half. So now that you've had your glue in the bowl, it's time to take your teaspoon and get your magical liquid, or just any spoon. Pour a little bit in there and just drip it on top of your glue. Now you just mix it, and it should start turning into slime.
In this room.
I'm doing a video.
No. Sorry.
Yeah, that was awkward. That was my dad. Then, after yours has turned into gotten into slime form, if it's a whole bottle, you might want to do 2 teaspoons. I'll read the tutorial that says the directions on the bottle after the video. So your slime will be sticky. Fear not. Do not add any more activator, period. Just mix it in your hands. It will be sticky because of your hands being either cold or hot. Or it could just be because your slime is a little bit too gluey. If it's too sticky, you might just want to add a 1/4 teaspoon more activator or for this slime, you'll only need about 2 teaspoons because it's really small. And it will be successful. After that, you just get in with your, well, I said step 2 already, but I didn't say step 2. But yeah, step 2 is you add one teaspoon of activator, mix, knead with your hands, then add another teaspoon of activator, put it in the bowl, mix it, then knead again. And then step 3, knead your slime gracefully. Make sure you be very gentle with the new glue because it can't be sticky. If you have hot hands, it will be sticky. That was just the glue bottle warming up. If there's any more glue, I'd like it. Oh, there's more glue. I have to get all this goo off my hands. I could add more glue. And you could just peel it off your fingertips. See, watch, it's like so satisfying. Look how it peels. If you're at my ankle, then look, my totally dry finger. Now that it's getting kind of soft and stringy, you want to just build around it just to get a little bit more activator. If you're using the wrong activator, it can make your slime sticky. It'll form your slime, but it will make your slime sticky like glue. So you basically have slime glue right here. Slime and glue. But look. It's not that stretchy though. Now. Check out my other videos, just to check them out. You might like those. Yeah. Because a lot of them have a lot of likes, a lot of hearts. And yeah. Comment down below if you know how to read your comments and who has subscribed. I have 7 subscribers right now, maybe 8. Please subscribe. June 16th, 2020 is the date of this video. Keep that in your head. Now just rub your slime against the bowl you mixed it with. Just to get all the excess slime. If you hear any bubbles, that's great. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye. Also, I'm posting this on the same day. I might have a bunch of filters. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. So, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss one of my videos every day. Just click the bell, don't hit personalized, don't hit subscriptions, hit all. Because then you will have notified to all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Alright, I gotta go get the containers. Oh. I didn't end the video. Bye guys. See you in my next video.